Today I want to share with you a very delicious mangonadias, popsicles, mangonadias. Of course, homemade, delicious, and perfect for this summer. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: water, granulated sugar, tops for our cups, of course our little sticks, tajin with lemon, mangoes, and chamoy. These are the only things we need for this delicious how to make popsicles, chamoy popsicles at home. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is start with my tajin. This tajin already has lemon, and I'm just using this little plate with the spoon so that it's easier for me to add it to my little cups. That's why I'm transferring to this little plate. And here I have a beautiful glass little jar where I'm gonna add my chamoy. Of course, I'm doing this to make it a little easier for myself when I start adding it to the little cups. So like that, I'm not using this big jug of chamoy. This really is so tasty and so delicious. I have my two things ready, and now I am ready to start making my chamoy mix and my mangonada mix. Well, I have my blender here, and the first thing I'm gonna do is add all my frozen mango. When you buy frozen mango, the mango really has a lot of taste. The flavors are more intense. And here I'm adding my granulated sugar. And towards the end, now I am adding just a little bit of water, just enough to help my blender mix completely all the mango. We want it nice as puree, but we want it nice and thick. The reason that we want it really nice and thick is so that when we add it to our little cups, our little stick really stays in the center and it's not moving from one side or another. So here I have 6. This mixture is gonna be enough for 6 little cups. Remember, this is the tajin. It's chili and lemon with a little salt. Just make sure that you add as much or as little as you want. I'm just trying to cover the bottom portion of these little cups. Once I already added and covered just the bottom, now I am ready to start adding the chamoy. The chamoy and the little tajin mixture really gives this mangonada its taste, the delicious flavors combined, and of course the mango. I'm gonna just go ahead and just add it towards the bottom, and we're just adding about 1 inch of chamoy. Let me show it to you. As you could see, it's barely just a little bit of the tajin on the bottom and 1 inch of chamoy. Now I am ready to just start pouring in the mixture of the mango. It's really nice and frothy, nice and thick, and this is exactly how we want it. We don't want it too runny, because if it's too runny, of course, it's going to take longer to, froze. And before even that, it's going to be so hard to put the little stick in the middle, because it's going to be moving from one side to another. So you want it really nice and thick so that when you start adding those little sticks of the popsicles, the stick will actually just stay up. I'm going to add just a little more of the tajin just for the decoration, just a little sprinkles right on the top. And my mouth is already very watering. This looks amazing. You know, this is really tasty. And now I am ready to start adding the lids. I like to add the lids so that when we are on the go, you just grab one, go, and it's ready to go. Well, here I'm just adding the tops to it. If you don't want to add the tops, that's fine. You don't need to. And here I'm adding the little popsicle sticks, and as you could see, it really stays up. I'm going to continue with the rest. Here, they've been in the refrigerator for about 6 hours. Look at this. Nice and firm. They look so beautiful. And let me show you how I do it to get it out of the little cup. Look how beautiful this looks. I'm helping myself with the little plate with nice and warm water. And I'm just going to put the cup just for a little seconds in there. And then I'm going to put pressure on the bottom. And look how this looks. My kids are already looking at me, wondering when are you doing the presentation, because we want to taste it. My son is helping me here so that I could show you how they look from the bottom, how they look from the sides, and of course the top. This looks amazing and I can't wait to taste it. Well, here I am ready for the presentation, and I'll see you back in a little bit. Completely done with these mangonadias. You know something? With this hot weather in this summer, this is a perfect way to, you know something, just sit down outside, have a mangonada, refresh yourself, be with family. The kids are the ones that really enjoy this mangonada with chili. Well, let me stop talking and let me start tasting my mangonada. You know that this is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward. Excuse me. This came out amazing. If you liked and loved my recipe, please, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video on social media with friends, with relatives, with neighbors, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Thank you so much for playing this video and the rest of the videos. Don't forget to push the notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this delicious homemade mangonada. I'll see you soon in my next delicious recipe. See you soon. Bye-bye.